When you're looking for an access panel, look no further than the Access Panel Company, Britain's leading access panel manufacturer. We've been manufacturing access panels in our Lincolnshire factory for over 20 years and carry over 2,000 access panels in stock for super speedy lead times. Find the solution you need for your project within our expansive range, or we'll make one specially for you. Looking for high-quality access panels? Take your pick from our standard and fire-rated wall, ceiling and floor access panels, invisible loft hatches, plastic access panels, roof hatches, fire-rated meter-over boxes, AOV smoke vents and steel door frames. In need of a specialist panel? Exposed grid, Rigitone style, anti-ligature, premium range acoustic rated and gas flue inspection panels are all available. Searching for tile doors, lift-off or hinged, premium range wall or ceiling double doors, multi-fit, quick-fit or vinyl-fit floor doors. Maybe you're in need of riser doors. We've got them all, or can design it for you. Whether you have fire, acoustic or air tightness requirements, we'll meet them in every type of wall finish. Plus, our patented Slick system, which is our patented invisible keyhole treatment, so you can enjoy a minimalist finish with none of those plastic bungs that always get lost. The Slick system conceals the keyhole and is pushed out of the way by the key, snapping back into place when the key is removed. It's really simple but really effective. And with our Slick Plus, we can also hide high-security Euro cylinders, making the door face a seamless match for the surrounding wall. Add this to our precision manufacturing design process and you really do get the very best in access panels and door design. Discover the perfect solution for your domestic or commercial project today. Explore our range of access panels by clicking here and call our friendly team.